Good afternoon and welcome to another episode of Gardener Gone Wild. And look at these big monsters. Look how huge they are. They are really growing up. Hey! And of course the gardener is there, watching all the monsters. Hello biggies. And of course Mum's really hungry. Right, I'm going to go and see the other monsters. I've just let the Fluffies out for a bit. The little Fluffies. Hey monsters. It's a real mission looking after all of these. Unfortunately, you might have noticed little Lemonie's not here. Lemonie died in her sleep yesterday, and so no more Lemonie. We don't know why she died, but she died happy with a full belly, and yeah, nothing we can do about it. But let's enjoy these little monsters. And of course they're going into the naughty zone. Naughty zone! Guys! No, little one. Not in the naughty zone. Oh, this is too much fun. Too much fun, eh monsters? The naughty zone is away behind. Thank goodness that's the naughty zone. You're not allowed there, but that's the first place they head to. But here we go. Hey guys. No. Hey monsters. Too much fun. Hey. Hi guys. Hello. Oh no. Another naughty zone. Straight into the broad beans, just like the other ones do. Hey monkeys. Hello. What you doing? What you doing? Hello. See, the goal for this is to tire them out. Oh, don't you dare go under there. Yeah, so if they get nice and tired, they'll sleep soundly tonight. What do you think you're doing? Right, where is everyone? Hi guys! Oh dear! Naughty Evie! Yes. She's incredibly naughty. She's back to Evil Evie when she's broody. Yes. And yes, she is broody. So she wasn't impressed with the babies.
No, but she wanted to chase them off.
Yes. So yep, she's back to Evil Evie. So we've had to put the babies back.
So this one.
Because of naughty Evil Evie. Evie. Evil Evie. Hey, Cheap Chips. Cheap Chips.
She's calmed down now.
Yes.
She was eating me before.
Hey, Evie. Naughty girl. Yes, when she's broody, she is terrible. And likes to eat everything and everybody.
Yes, she does.
Yeah, let her go now. Bye bye, Evils. So you can finish your sandwich.
Yes.
And the poor little Edlings. They're not impressed with me because I've put them back. Hey, you're not impressed. But it's nice and sunny. And it's supposed to turn awful again tomorrow. And yesterday they were stuck in the shower all day because the weather was dreadful. So I'll let them enjoy the sun for a bit longer, and then we'll have to start thinking about putting everybody away and feeding everyone and getting them ready for bed. Hey monsters! Well, the gardener's just brought out Mr. Big Duck. See how long he stays out here? Because he's a bit of a wimp. And he, yeah, he runs back to the backyard. He's such a wuss. But he's got to get to know his children. Don't you, Mr. Duck? Well, his children were looking in interest, but Mr. Big Duck, oh my goodness, what a wuss. Wussy duck. Come and bring him back to his children.
Okay, I won't do that.
Mr. Big Duck. Oh god, he's too wussy. You may as well let him out the back.
Can we try one more time?
He's such a wimp. See how fast he can go. Come on, Mr. Duck. Run, 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 run. You're going to have chickens out here. So, while the gardener stuffs his face with sandwiches, that will be the end of today's episode of Gardener Gone Wild, the Evil Evie is back edition. So until next time, stay wild about gardening, stay wild about animals, and just stay wild about life. Oh dear.